you invest in it, I would say go back to the basics. बिकॉज सब कुछ सही है जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, एवरी प्रोडक्ट इज अ गुड प्रोडक्ट। जो मैं हमेशा एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि इफ आई कम विद अ पॉइजन एंड वो वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट कंपनी ने बनाया है और सब लोगों ने उसको ट्रस्ट किया है, विल यू टेस्ट इट? यू वोंट, बिकॉज you know that is not right for you. Similarly, when it comes to investing in any scheme or a product, crypto, gold, stock, real estate, anything, you always do it, and you should always do it on the basis of your risk profile, on the basis of your asset allocation. तो अगर आपकी risk profile allows you to invest 1%, 2%, 10% in crypto or any other investment option, you need to decide बेसिस ऑन योर रिस्क प्रोफाइल। उसके पहले वेरीफाई करिए, वैलिडेट करिए, समझिए इस स्पेस को, नहीं तो मत करिए। और गवर्नमेंट का भी रेगुलेशन बहुत जल्दी इस पे आने वाला है। सो डोंट रश, वेट फॉर सम मोर टाइम टू गेट मोर क्लैरिटी। So if Elon Musk tweet has shaken up your confidence, I would say that confidence was never there in the first place. And see, his tweets or in everything what he does has a lot of value. And why did he tweet this kind of stuff? Earlier he was supporting, now he has a change of heart. Reasons are known to him. I believe he may even come out with his own coins. So let's wait and watch. And it works similarly for your stocks also, right? If Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala tweet tomorrow, like they just tweet about a particular stock, don't you think that stock also will go up or down? So same thing, don't lose your confidence if you believe in it. No, I don't think so that it is a joke. And as you already said, the market cap. So Bitcoin has the 6th largest market cap. It is bigger than Tesla. It is bigger than Facebook. So it's very difficult to call it a joke, and it may remain. Like we need to see the future, and at least, as I said, 90-95% coins will go bust. So this has two parts. One is volatility, and then the currency aspect of it. So why it is volatile? Well, it could be because unlike your regular stock market like the BSE or NSE or Nasdaq, any stock market in the world, they work for a limited number of hours, like 6 hours to 8 hours. But crypto market never rests. It works 24/7. And then to top it all, you have people globally who are hooked onto this market and regularly doing buying and selling. जस्ट इमेजिन अगर BSE NSE को आप 24/7 खोल दीजिए और ग्लोबली लोग उस पर बाइंग सेलिंग कर रहे हैं। हो सकता है आज आपने रिलायंस इन्फोसिस का स्टॉक लिया और आप सो गए, अगले दिन उठे उसमें 20% आपको डाउन दिखा क्योंकि इतना सारा बाइंग सेलिंग हो रहा है। सो दैट इज द रीजन द वे इट फंक्शन वेरी डिफरेंटली। सेकेंड इज यू सेड लाइक how it can be accepted as a currency, but apart from that also I would say anything to be called a currency, it has to be stable, or maybe it has to be accepted by as I said, regulator and also trusted by people. But let's start calling it as an asset. And for a currency जैसा होता है ना, like you can't go and sell your gold or stocks, like in terms of trade you don't go to a store or online shopping पे you can't give gold और बदले में एक लैपटॉप लिया। Similarly अभी currency बोलना बहुत जल्दी होगा because you can't just go and give Bitcoin to buy things unless until it is accepted by everyone. Some of the corporates have started accepting it. पहले वेरीफाई करिए, वैलिडेट करिए, समझिए इस स्पेस को, नहीं तो मत करिए। और गवर्नमेंट का भी रेगुलेशन बहुत जल्दी इस पे आने वाला है। सो डोंट रश, वेट फॉर सम मोर टाइम टू गेट मोर क्लैरिटी।